Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to draw a structural isomer C₇H₁₆. So let's begin. So first draw the heptane, okay, the 7-carbon alkane. Then take one of the groups, the methyl groups, and reattach it. So let's say I put it on the 2nd carbon of this hexane. Now I put it on the 3rd carbon of this hexane. Okay, let me take off another carbon and have a pentane. Now I'm going to put 2 of the methyls on carbon 2, and then again to put 2 of the methyls on carbon 3. Okay, now let me rotate again, and let me make those 2 methyls an ethyl and put it on carbon 3. Okay, now let me go and put again 1 on carbon 2 and 1 on carbon 4 of the pentane. So a methyl on carbon 2 and a methyl on carbon 4. Okay, but now I can put a methyl on carbon 2 and a methyl on carbon 3. And in this last one, let me take off another and put 2 methyls on carbon 2 and a methyl on carbon 3. Okay? So some of you are going to ask me, okay, what are you doing? How are you? Again, so for structural isomers, what you're doing is you have the same formula, but you have different connectivity. And so the way that I like to compare it is, okay, let's do basic math. If I have 7 plus 0, that's 7. If I have 6 plus 1, it's 7. If I have 5 plus 2, it's 7. If I have 4 plus 3, it's 7. So at the end of the day, I have the same amount. I have 7 carbons, right? But the way that I'm attaching those carbons is different. So what I'm doing is I'm moving around the methyl groups. One more thing I want you to be wary of. Okay, so in this example that I put the methyl here, that is not the same thing as putting the methyl here. Again, one is going to be here on carbon 2, one is here on carbon 3. Now, if I had drawn this methyl group on this carbon, that would be exactly the same thing. Okay, so sometimes students draw the same isomer and they think they have something different. So what I always tell students is to number your carbons and make sure that you're putting it on a different carbon. If not, you're ending up with the same thing. Okay, in this case, again, this is the longest chain. So yes, you can put the ethyl group here on carbon 3. Again, structural isomers, it takes time to get the hang of it. At first, it's really quirky. So I highly recommend that you try to draw this on your own. And again, think about it like math, like, okay, 7 plus 0, 6 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 4 plus 3. Trying to make different arrangements, but again, it's going to be the same formula. It's just going to be different connectivity. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, it takes time to create this content, so please follow, like, share, and thanks again for watching.